So hey everyone, welcome to the new video. Today in this video, we are going to see that how can you install Matplotlib, which is a Python based library used for making or plotting graphs on a specified data. Okay, so for that you need to have Python installed on your computer, and then you will be needing a folder. But before that, let's move in our VS Code and make sure that you have opened your folder. Then what you have to do is click here and then show and run commands, then Python create environment, then venv. Now what this will do is this will create a virtual environment for this particular folder, which will contain all the dependencies for this particular project, which we will be installing in this. Now what you have to do is just click on terminal, new terminal, and just type pip install matplotlib. This will get installed in your virtual environment. It is getting installed. So yeah, it is successfully installed. You can check this by creating a new file, test.py, and importing this. Import matplotlib. If this shows a yellow line, that means it is not properly installed. Because this is showing yellow line, so I will check what's the issue with the terminal. Let's close this firstly. Then what we have to do is then again open your terminal. Here you must make sure that there will be a pop-up showing that your virtual environment is active. Because there is no pop-up, that means there is some issue with our virtual environment. So now let's close our VS Code and reopen it. Okay, so I have reopened my VS Code, and now let's check for environment activation. Now click on terminal again. Here you can see this pop-up now. Python virtual environment was successfully activated. That means now your environment is activated. Here you have to run your command again, that is pip install matplotlib. Okay, so requirement is already satisfied because I have already installed this. Now just hover on this, or maybe try changing line, and then again hover. This yellow line will get removed. Okay, so now you can see that my yellow line is removed. That means my matplotlib is successfully installed, and this import is working properly also. So yeah, that's all for this video. Now let's see you next time.